Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So let's get started. If you're encountering issues with the photo swipe feature on TikTok, where it's not working correctly or seems to be missing, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to resolve the problem, whether you're using iOS or Android. Follow these instructions to get your slideshow feature back. Launch the TikTok application on your device. Tap on the plus button to open your camera and select photos from your gallery. Ensure that the photo slideshow feature is not working as expected. Go back to your TikTok profile by tapping on the three horizontal lines. Within your profile, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Clearing cache and downloads. Scroll down to find the Free Up Space option. Open it and clear both the cache and downloads. Accumulated cache files may cause issues with the app. After clearing cache and downloads, exit TikTok. For iOS users, open the Device Settings app. Navigate to General and then iPhone Storage. Find TikTok in the list and tap on Offload App. This action will clear unnecessary data. After offloading, reinstall TikTok. On Android devices, you may use the equivalent steps to clear app data and cache. To reinstall TikTok, wait for the offloading process to complete. Click on Reinstall. Once reinstalled, open the app to see if the photo swipe feature is restored. By following these steps, you should have a fresh installation of TikTok, resolving any issues with the photo swipe feature. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.